Hello everyone, I am Ananya. Today I am going to draw a super easy sunset village scenery with a boat, house and a blossom tree for you all the beginners. Let's get started. All time I like to draw my scenery with a black outliner, but I always recommend you to draw with 2B or HB pencil, cause if you think you have to erase on some point on your scenery, you can easily erase with an eraser if you draw with a 2B or HB pencil. But if you think you don't need to erase on some point on your scenery, you can easily use the black marker. I mostly like the black marker to draw my scenery. So my drawing for all of the beginners is almost complete. Let's color my drawing. Color the hill with Prussian blue, blue-green, grass green as well as yellow-green. All of the color names you can easily watch on the bottom of the screen. And if you learn a little bit from my drawing tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch more like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below what that part that you liked most from my drawing tutorial. Don't forget to comment me below. Our hill is complete. Let's draw the blue river with Prussian blue, coffee blue and sky blue. And I always like to draw with a ninja technique, and that is I haven't the light sky blue color. That's why I used so lightly the sky blue color, and on this I blend properly as well as I can the white, and that's marvelous. It will work like the sky blue, the light sky blue color. And that was my ninja technique that I applied on the orangey sunset sky too. You can also use this fabulous technique if you like this. Do you want to learn more like this scenery? Then don't forget to subscribe my creation world, my channel, to watch more like this, that you can get the notification at first when my videos will publish. And draw the super orangey sunset with vermilion, orange, yellow orange as well as yellow. And after that I also apply a ninja technique that I had said before with the sky blue and the white. And in this time I used yellow so lightly, and after that I used white and blend as much as I can. And that was my ninja technique. It will also work look like the light yellow color. Don't forget to try this easy peasy scenery at home, and if you try this, don't forget to comment me below how it was. And if you feel any kind of difficulty to draw this, then don't forget to ask me on the comment section without any hesitation. I will be always here to answer you. Draw the bush of tree with vindicky brown as well as brown, and the blossom flowers with pink, light pink, and then I forgot what I used. You can see the colors name on the bottom of the screen, and I divided the blossom tree in 3 parts on my imaginations, and that I draw 2 of them I used the same, and the another I used same green family that I did with the hill, and our blossom flower tree is complete. I try to draw a simple scenery that I can for you all, and please don't forget to try this easy and simple scenery at home. And I said it again, if you feel any difficulty, don't forget to comment me below and ask without any kind of hesitation. And all of the equipment name that I have used to draw the scenery you can easily watch on the description box. And you can be also my friend by like my Facebook page. And here is my house that I did draw with purple and lavender color. And our house is almost complete. Then draw the boat with vindicty brown and the upper part of the board with brown and yellow ochre. Drawing is almost being complete. Then draw whole of the scenery again with black outliner, and our drawing will be complete. If you love the easy peasy lemon squeezy and marvelous scenery, then press the like button. And if you're new in my creation world, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, that you can easily get the notification at first when my video will be published. And want to watch the previous tutorials? Then press the I button to watch the previous. Time to bounce. See you in the next video. Till then, stay cool, stay happy. Ta-da!